guys, welcome to My Sew Bliss. Today I'm going to be continuing my swimsuit celebration and sharing with you my top 5 places to buy swimsuit fabric. Now, over the years, I have made a lot of swimsuits, and one of the hardest things is finding the fabric that you like and fits your personality and fits the style of swimsuit that you want to wear. Maybe I'm just picky, but it was hard for me. Nowadays, companies are coming out with so much more swimsuit fabric. There is so much more available and I am loving it. I'm just soaking it all in and making all the swimsuits I can. So I wanted to share with you my top 5. The first place that I love to get swimsuit fabric at, they actually just started, but the quality of it is so amazing and I'm already in love with it and I already want to go back and buy more, is from raspberrycreekfabrics.com. I'm going to put links down below to the blog post that I'm going to be doing on this with links to all of the websites and all of the places and all the fabrics that I have that are at least still available. So these two fabrics are from Raspberry Creek. The lining is from Joannes. That's also on my list later. So these two fabrics from Raspberry Creek Fabrics, this fabric is just so soft and buttery. Like, I don't think I've ever felt a swimsuit fabric that is quite as soft. So I'm just really, really loving their fabric, and that's the one. They come up with their own prints and designs, so this is unique to them. This bird fabric, obviously, like, anyone can do solid colors, but they make solid colors to match their prints. So super nice quality and just really, really fun prints. I'll probably end up buying more before the season's over. The second place that I like to get my fabric is Blackbird Fabrics, and that includes all fabrics. I love them so much, but they just started carrying swimsuit fabric as well, and they have a rib knit swimsuit fabric, which is really on trend right now. I didn't get it this time, mostly because I was so drawn to this floral pattern, and then they had the stripes to go with it. So, I mean, do you blame me? Hopefully not. Maybe I will have to put in an order for rib knit as well and do that. But these two together were just perfect, so cute, again, so high quality. But a lot of these smaller companies are getting amazing quality and really unique prints. So I just love how different and diverse, but also good quality it is. So, super cute fabrics from blackbirdfabrics.com. Then, like I mentioned earlier, number 3 is Joannes. They always have great solids and great lining. Every once in a while, I will find a fashion fabric or like a main print that I love from there, but usually I go there if I need a solid to match something that I already have, or I need lining. I obviously make a lot of swimsuits and just like to stock up on their lining. So when they have a good coupon or a good sale on their swimsuit fabric, I usually stock up. So right now I have a ton of white lining because they had a great sale and I bought a bunch. They also have a nude and black lining as well. So no matter what kind of fashion fabric you are using, you should be covered going to Joannes. Now, about 7-8 years ago when I made my first swimsuit, the place that I actually found my best fabric at was fabric.com. This is my best swimsuit fabric, and I got this fabric, which is actually held up really well, and mostly because I didn't wear it a ton. I made it into a solid, it was just a one piece, very basic. For the first swimsuit we made in my class, we just made the pattern that it came with, like the book came with. So I didn't really make any alterations. I just wanted to see what it was like. And this swimsuit, I have since cropped it because the legs were super high up and showed a lot of bum, and that was just not me, not my style. I like a lot more coverage down there. So I ended up just cropping it, and I never really found anything high-waisted or even made anything. I'm pretty lazy, I guess. To match it. So, but I'm thinking maybe this summer, pair some yellow with it. My yellow bottoms that are high-waisted, and that would be really cute together. So, fabric.com, that's where I got this, is probably not available anymore. I will be shocked, but if it is, I'll put a link in my blog post about these. So, I did make shorts as well. Then to finish off my top 5, I have fashionfabricsclub.com. Yes, it's a mouthful, but they have a great selection of fabric. You just have to go searching for it. So when you search in the swimsuits fabric, I got this awesome yellow. I mean, I'm obsessed with yellow, so I had to get a yellow swimsuit and made this crop top, and it's super cute. And again, great quality. I did put like the white lining with it, and it's just really cute, and I like how I can mix and match it. So again, that's fashionfabricsclub.com. Links will be down below. Now, as a little bonus, I wanted to add a couple other places that I have bought in fabric from before. One being, if you're in the LA area, the LA Fabric District, you can find a ton of swimwear fabric, but you might not know what it's made out of or the quantity of the spandex that's in it or just different things like that. So just be aware of the quality of fabric that you're getting. I got this one and fell in love with this print. Just so pretty and yellow. Again, I'm just drawn to it everywhere I go. So I got this one and a ton of other fabric from the Fabric District in LA. So really nice there. This was another of my first swimsuits. I actually do not want to get rid of it. It's pretty faded. Like this green is faded. This green was from Joannes. This fabric, I actually can't remember where it's from. I'm going to try and do some searching. And if I can find where I got this, I'm going to put it in the blog post. So make sure to check that out as well. But I just loved how this one turned out. It's a one piece, but I made it more of a boy's short at the bottom and had an X in the back. I had seen some inspiration on Pinterest and just wanted to recreate something similar. So that's what I came up with and had a lot of fun with it. And a couple other places that you can buy swimsuit fabric are spoonflower.com. I have never bought in their swimwear fabric. It's about, I think it's $32 a yard. But when you're sewing swimwear, all you need is a yard typically. So if you find something you really like, I should try them out because they have some really, really fabulous stuff and fabulous designers over there. And lastly, mood.com has swimwear fabric as well. So lots of options out there. I know they're mostly online because that is typically where I find my swimwear fabric other than Joannes. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you want to join along on the swimsuit celebration sew along, make sure you sign up for my email list. I'll put a link down for that below. And make sure you're checking up on my blog and Instagram for the next couple of weeks. I'm going to be posting giveaways and just fun tips and tricks and pictures of all of these swimsuits, and it's just gonna be so much fun. So make sure you check all those out. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!